everyone, this is Nichelle Renee and welcome to my channel. Here on my channel we are doing lifestyle, beauty, fashion. I'm a single mother, so you will see my kids. I'll talk about my kids, but today we are cleaning. My room is a mess, so I just need y'all to grab y'all a drinky drink, sit back, relax, because baby I'ma be a motivation today for this room clean. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all, don't go in on me. I know my hair isn't looking up to par, and I'm in the house. I'm cleaning. No makeup, hair looking like whatever. This is a realistic vlog, so don't come for me in the comments. By the way, check out my YouTube friend in the background on the TV. Her name She is Flawless. I started watching her when I was working out. She's a CNA who does agency work. I'm an LPN who does agency work. And homegirl is so real. Like everything she says will have you laughing. She's hilarious. She is real. Check out her page. She is Flawless. Box style. If you want to do it quick and fast, put everything in the box and go through the box later when you get ready to, because I'm not doing that today. Maybe tomorrow. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It would help me so much with the algorithm to push this video out and my other videos that I have coming. Thank you. See, originally I moved my Christmas tree closer to the window in order to vacuum. But now I'm considering keeping the Christmas tree there. But we'll find out in just a few what I'm going to do. By the way, today as I'm editing, it is January 22nd and my Christmas tree is still up. Am I the only one that has their tree still up? I mean, the downstairs is back to normal, but upstairs, my oldest daughter, she has a pink Christmas tree and I have the black Christmas tree. It matches our aesthetic. So that's the only reason why I'm keeping it up, because it's just so cozy at night. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And in my nightstands inside, and there was whatever was on top. I had a load of stuff over there in that corner with books and stuff. A bunch of these with books, because this desk used to be in Nicole and Nia's room and they were not using it. So I brought it in my room and turned it into my beauty station / editing situation. Okay, everyone, as we're coming close to the end of the video, I would like to say thank you to everyone who is taking their time out to watch my video. I appreciate everything, all the views, the comments, the likes. Thank you so much. And I will see you next time on the next video. Bye, boo.